Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to find a bank swift code. What I mean is that maybe you want to apply for a job and you want to collect any online money and they ask for your bank swift code. How do you get it? It's very easy. Now every bank has their own different swift code. Now what you need to do is very easy. Just go to your Google, just go to your Chrome browser. Once you reach your Chrome browser, what you need to do is come to this your search button here and just search the bank. For example, now let me use First Bank for example. Just type first, oh sorry, First Bank Swift code. Then click on send. And then trust me, Google is going to bring you to tell you the First Bank Swift code. You can see this is it. Now what you need to do is just double click on it and you copy it. Click on copy and there you just copy it and go to the application you need it, or any money you wanted to collect then ask for it, just paste it there and automatically it is very easy. Any bank we have for First Bank, we have for Access Bank, we have for all the bank. Just go to your Google, ask Google what is the bank Swift code for this, and it's going to pop out and give you the direct answer. You copy it, then you paste it there. So guys, if this really helps you, drop a like, click the like button, do up a comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.